All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Things like mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin, Splash Network, Drip Network, all kinds of cryptocurrency projects. Well, today we're going to talk about Dogelon Mars. That's right. This token is up crazy in the last 7 days. I mean, ding, 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 going off the charts crazy. We're going to go to their website, go to their Twitter account. What's going on with Dogelon Mars? It's outperforming Dogecoin. It's outperforming Shiba Inu. Go Elon. Also, we're going to go to Piston Token. They're doing another pre-launch today. The regular launch is coming up April 3rd, so just want to do a little bit of thing on Piston for you. And Shiba Inu is still the ETH Whales favorite. So ETH Whales are gobbling up the Shiba, so we're going to cover a little bit of Shiba Inu today too. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on the channels to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, even own some cryptocurrency. All right, everybody, let's head over to Dogelon Mars. All right, over here, Coin Market Cap, ding, ding, ding. Dogelon Mars is up 59%. Holy cow, it's up almost 60% in the last 7 days. We should just jump out of our skins. In the last 24 hours, it's up 13%. Clicking it, up 13.5%. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and 11 6. We'll come back and do a price prediction when we're done here. In the last 24 hours, it's looking good, but the big story here is in the last 7 days. Take a look in the last 7 days here at this chart. This is like beautiful. People that are in the Elon, people that are in the Dogelon Mars. Now remember, Dogelon Mars is actually a cryptocurrency for intergalactic travel. So when we go to Mars, we actually have a cryptocurrency to pay for that travel. So this token being up 59-60% is absolutely positively awesome. Over here at the Twitter account, it says, I am Dogelon Mars. Join me together. We'll reach the stars together. So it says right here, follow Dogelon Mars NFTs for all the updates regarding the release of the Dogelon Mars Martian NFT series featuring Gloomy Bear. So don't forget about Gloomy Bear here. Basically, you can check this out. It says, in the first of many cross-universe artistic collaborations, Dogelon Mars has entered the Gloomy Verse. Dogelon Mars NFTs for updates on how you can join the revolution on Mars. Join us today and we'll reach the stars. DogelonMartian.com. And over here at Dogelon Martian coming soon, checking this out. It says, take a look here. You got all the little NFTs, the gloomy ones that are just going, hey, they got some pretty sharp ones there. Looks like there's at least 10 or 12. Displaying across the galaxy under the threat, the Dogelon Martians, they have searched wide and far for powerful allies that would help aid them in their mission. With the help of these lovable gloomy bears, the time for reclaiming of the Mars has finally come. So you got all kinds of these gloomy bears that are happening. Owners of Dogelon Martians NFTs will earn a seat among the council of the Dogelon DAO as a pioneer, as the leader, as an NFT owner. Users will have increased voting rights with the Dogelon DAO and will other special privileges that will be enabled for the humanity into the brighter future. So yep, over here coming soon at DogelonMartian.com. So pretty good stuff going on right there. Over here at the website, Dogelon Mars, you got 6 different places you can actually get this cryptocurrency. It is up 59% right now, so a lot of people have probably been going to these. We got Gemini to the right. We got Huobi, KuCoins. A lot of people have been using KuCoins lately. OKEX, Uniswap, and of course, Crypto.com. Crypto.com, fortune does favor the brave. Let's not forget about that. All right, everybody. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Up 59%, Dogelon Mars. I mean, come on, this is absolutely fantastic. And now we got gloomy bears going on. Okay, all kinds of good stuff. What's going on with this Piston Token? It's got a pre-launch going off today and the real launch in April 3rd. Let's head over to Piston, kind of check it out a little bit. It's kind of like a drip network. Get a percentage back every single day. All right, right here, March 29th, pre-sale. The Piston Token, a Binance Smart Chain BSC token built on the best-in-class decentralized technology. Piston was designed to run an ecosystem, earn rewards by depositing your tokens in the Piston Race dashboard app. It's got the white pages. It talks about the actual race, the Piston Token, The token runs on the ecosystem, fully tradable and available to everybody. Enter your Piston tokens to enter the race. The ROI dashboard app is for depositing the Piston token. The max payout is 365% of your deposit amount. To earn 1% daily. Reinvest your maximum of your APY. There's a 5% direct referral reward system bonus. Withdraw initial investments. There's a claim tax of 10%. And the deposit fee, the upline gets 5% round robin. And then the contract balance gets the balance of the 5%. The roadmap, yesterday they had a little pre-sale. They got another one going off today. And the actual launch right here, Piston Token, the race is April 3rd. So again, just wanted to bring this to everybody. Piston Token going on, trying to bring this to the channel. Now remember to do all your own homework. Not a financial planner, we're just all friends here. But I do like to bring different things up. We like node projects, we like drip, we like Splassive, Drip Garden. There's a few things that we actually like. We're invested in ourselves. Do your own homework. Piston Token, we tried to get in yesterday. Literally, it sold out basically in like 30 seconds to a minute. So I wasn't able to get my $400 worth of the actual Piston tokens. So we'll give it a try. But April 3rd is actually when you can for sure get your tokens. So just kind of bringing this up to everybody to be aware of the Piston token. All right, Shiba Inu. ETH Whales are still loving the Shiba Inu. Let's go ahead and head over to Shiba and find out what's going on with those ETH Whales. Shiba Inu is still an ETH Whale favorite. Here's why. It says the cryptoverse welcomes an arranged cryptocurrency over the past 2 years. Shiba Inu undoubtedly took the front stage. The asset was at the top of the game. It paved the way for the emergence of all kinds of other similar assets. ETH Whales were seen holding their assets. After spurring among the mirth of the bearish days, the ETH Whales either are holding or selling the Shiba. Over the past couple weeks, ETH Whales managed to amass trillions and billions of Shiba just last week. An ETH whale bought a whopping 523 billion Shibs worth, how much? 12.6 million. So ETH whales are still into the SHIB, which is fantastic. As the market was painted green, the whales were alerted. According to the whale stats, SHIB was the 8th most traded token among the whales. So taking a look here, you got the SHIB right there at number 8. It was traded the most, average purchase amount. So you got the SHIB, ETH, Ethereum was number 1. Gallows were up there too. But Shiba Inu at number 8 right there. Shiba's been up a decent amount. It's been up 7%. The top 1,000 ETH whales are holding their SHIB and hoping for a bigger surge. As a result, SHIB was the 3rd most held token by the richest ETH whales. So not only are the whales buying the Shiba Inu, the whales are holding it. It says the SHIB was the 3rd most held token among the ETH whales. And it says, stay tuned, the Shiba Inu network is brewing something. They're talking about the news on the SHIBverse. The SHIB army laid out an array of different things following the tweet on the Shiba network. The network released, there's a big announcement scheduled for tomorrow. So big things to come for Shiba Inu. All right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. ETH whales are still loving the SHIB. They're holding the SHIB. They're buying the SHIB. All kinds of millions of dollars of SHIB. The Shiba Inu army is big, so definitely keep an eye on. Remember we talk about the whales. You want to do what the whales are doing. Pay attention to the whales. Swim next to the whales. The whales have all kinds of resources. The whales have teams of people that research all day long. So when the whales move, it's a calculated event. They've figured it out. So you may kind of just want to kind of copycat what the whales are doing. Again, do your own homework. All right, let's head back over to Dogelon Mars here. I want to show you this. After outperforming Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, Dogelon Mars rallies another 25%. So Dogelon Mars is up. Again, we just saw it's up 60%. It talks about Dogecoin was down 3.5%. Talked about Shiba was down 1%. But however, Dogelon Mars was actually up over 10% at the time of this. Elon's market cap is over 447.9 million, which is fantastic. Talking right here how Dogelon is up over the Dogecoin and over the Shiba Inu, which is fantastic. Can Dogelon Mars climb up another step? Just kind of wanted to show you the Dogelon Mars there. Again, up. They're outperforming the Shiba Inu. It's outperforming the Dogecoin. All right, again, back at the website. Join the community. You can join them on their Twitter account. You can also follow them on their Telegram. They got their comics, Sega Begins. You can check it out here. Talks about how Dogelon is 119th rank, 650.06 million. Volume is 92.59. All right, what's our price prediction? Well, here's the thing. This token is jumping off the charts. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros and 1165. My prediction is 5 zeros and 1185. Keep an eye on this. It's up big right now. This is when you want to put it on your radar. So everybody who has the Dogelon and the Elon, they got to be happy because it's jumping off the charts right this second. Again, I'm not a financial planner, so make sure you do your own homework. But take a look at that, up 58%. How do you like seeing green everywhere? Everywhere it's green. Cryptocurrency is bouncing back today, which is fantastic. Up, Elon is up almost 13% today alone. All right, everybody, 59% up for Dogelon Mars. You got to love that. Shiba Inu is getting gobbled up by the ETH Whales. What's going on there? Piston Token. Check out the pre-sale going on. And again, on April 3rd is when it really launches. All kinds of good stuff. Click right here to see our most recent video. And click over here so you can earn 2% a day with Splasib. What's it, 360% up to 180 days. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. And we will see you a little bit later on today.